During a press briefing, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh has affirmed the recent continuous attacks by Kuki militants against Meitei community, including killing and injuring the state security personnel. He has stated that a large number of Kuki militants with reinforcement from Myanmar side has been carrying out these attacks, wherein the state security forces have been targeted. He also affirmed the recent attacks against the Meitei villages in fringe areas of the state. However, he expressed that the recent attacks are a cause of concern and he is doing his best as a security advisor in trying to control the situation and trying to bring back peace and normalcy in the state.
Incident took place near Kangchup. Yesterday at about 10:30 hours, some Kuki militants fired upon approximately 50 rounds towards Sindha and Kanan Bandiya and in Kangchup district, and around 2 persons got injury in that. One person out of them got deceased also. This person had been found on the hillside. There is another incident which had taken place. Then in Sagolwang, there has been firing between Kuki militants, fired by Kuki militants towards the downside, and 2 persons, 2 Meitei volunteers, received injury. So there is actually heightened activity since few days in and around the hills as well as in the More area. Just now also we got an information that in Vishnupur area there is a reservoir nearby. In that reservoir, 3 workers were working near Naga village, and some Kuki militants came from higher side and they fired upon them. They were seriously injured, and I am told some of them might have succumbed to the injuries also. So these heightened activities are cause of concern. Forces everywhere have been alerted, and they are trying to tackle the issue, but somehow or the other, Kuki militants are taking very active role in targeting the innocent civilians.